I just got these pruning shears sent for my review, and these things are really nice, really well built, heavy duty. Love the coating around the handle. It's actually super, super nice. It's got that lock, so if I let it go, it's actually locked. I will unlock it just like that, and then it opens up. It's really comfortable to use and definitely powerful, and we're gonna check it out. Obviously, usually you could do this around your garden. I'm gonna try and do it on a little bit thicker branches just to give it a run for its money. So let's go and grab, look at this, big branch right here. Let's see how easily it cuts. I'm just gonna go. like zero issues. So of course, if I've got little bit of trims like that, if I'm pruning any type of, rose bush, that'll be so easy. But if I want to go into the bigger branches like this one, and boom, done. How incredibly useful is that? And of course, you want to keep that clean. I would actually clean it up, but do not leave it wet dry, because you need to protect these things. And then once you're done, lock it and store it away.